Hello, good day. Now we have to go to the part 2, the thermogenic tea. Alright, this is the best companion for losing weight, burning fat, give you a lot of antioxidant, right? So now I want to make my beautiful tea. It comes in 3 different flavors. We have lemon, we have peach, and we have honey ginger. Today I want to make a honey ginger tea. So how you're going to make this is very simple. Just put in as much as water you like. Alright, you can up to a liter per scoop, right? Or you want to make it thicker, more stronger aroma, less water. Drop in this cube. And now this is the powder. Just 1 scoop of this. Drop it in. Wow. Just lightly shake this. See, your thermogenic tea is done, and with the shake, this is your best companion in your journey to fitness and weight loss.